Welcome to the biggest yoga challenge of 2026. It's going to be hosted by Floga and PlayPause B. It's going to be 15 days of yoga, and this year we're going to do it inside the Floga app. It's going to be completely free. You just download the app and then remember to turn on your notifications, and we'll tell you once the challenge starts. This year we're going to have some amazing prizes, amongst which there's going to be a 200-hour teacher training. We're going to have apparel, and yeah, I'm going to leave it at that, okay? I'm going to be joined by two other amazing teachers that are Anne and Ilona. So a little bit about myself. I started doing yoga back in 2004, so a long time ago. I have mostly been practicing Ashtanga and Vinyasa yoga as I found yoga while I was studying dancing. My practice is quite dynamic and it's quite flowy, inspired by my background as a dancer as well. And so that's what you can expect in my practices. I hope with this challenge to bring a little more mindfulness into your daily life, and I hope that that mindfulness will then shift on out through society. That is my big hopeful goal with this whole journey. I hope to see you on the mat, and now I will pass the mic along to Ilo, our next teacher.
Hi everybody, welcome to our New Year challenge. My name is Ilo and here we are on my island, Mauritius. I'm super grateful to be doing this, my part of the challenge here under the tropic, which also some of you might also be going through the festivities in a warm climate and not necessarily under the snow. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about who I am, what I do, and what you can expect from practicing with me over this challenge. So I have been practicing and teaching, practicing for about 10 years now and teaching for 7 years. And what I like to teach is practices that enables us to really connect to ourselves. I used to teach a really strong vinyasa, and through the years I witnessed that I'm slowing down as time comes through, and I'm becoming more and more conscious of my movement rather than just moving. And that's what I'm really wanting to bring forth to you as well during this challenge. As you will see, we will start slow and then build into the intensity, and that's also what you'll experience with me. All the practice that I'm doing, yoga, meditations, I'm studying Chinese medicine at the moment, and I have been doing a lot of energetic as well, are used and tools to bring me a little bit closer to my center. And when I will refer to center, I always speak about the heart. And for the past 4 years now, this has been my main focus, is how can I move a little closer and closer towards being open-hearted and living from the heart. And I hope that this is an essence that I'm able to transmit to you through these videos, and that you can move a little closer as well to your center. So I look forward to practicing with you, and for now I'll pass on the mic to my friend Anne, and you'll get to know who that amazing person is as well. Take care!
Thank you, Ilona, for the introduction. Sadly, we are not outside because it's a rainy day and we are inside, but still yoga helps us to move beyond that and see the beauty and the light in everything, every circumstances and everything. So that's what we are hoping to contribute to your day with this challenge, and we're super excited that you're on board for this and that you are going to make that fantastic change. We believe that yoga is the greatest gift there is, way bigger than anything that you can unwrap underneath the Christmas tree. So let's get started to unveil the many gifts in store for you for mind, soul, and body. My personal contribution, I'm Anne, and I'm living momentarily in Lisbon. I've been traveling the world for the past 5 years, teaching yoga and tools of consciousness with people from all cultures and community and societies, running my own teacher training programs, and basically immersed in this world of yoga, well-being, and conscious awareness for the past decade. And every day I am more baffled with the amount of knowledge there is to acquire, but most of all, the embodiment of that knowledge, because one thing is to know what it is and the other thing is to actually show up, to feel it, to embrace it, and to live it, and to expand in it. So I truly hope that you will have an expansive experience that will change your vision on yourself, on the world, and it will leave you inspired for longing more, because the yoga world is endless, and we are so excited to share a little bit of that knowledge with you. Enjoy, and definitely let us know how it's going. We're super open to receive your feedback and your experience so we can continuously optimize and grow together as a community. Thank you.